and make it a little bit more Delulu. I love that phrase. Hey everyone, it's Susie here and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an ultimate spring reset and we're starting off this reset with a spring clean. Let's get right to it.
If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see it. I just wanna see it.
We've had some casualties throughout this clean. Look at that nail. Just taking a moment now just to relax and practice a bit of self-care. I just think this time of year it's giving new season energy. It's such a good time of year to feel re-energized and re-inspired and motivated again to work on your goals. So we're going to have a little catch up here whilst I do my skincare and get ready for today. I've actually just answered the phone to my friend Jade and honestly she makes me laugh so much. Jade has been self-employed for a little while now. If you're self-employed as well or you work for yourself, you're on your own in the trenches. The things that we do on our own are so funny. My response to, these funny things that happen are, well, Jade, it's just another day, isn't it? Every day is so different and so random. If I'm honest as well, you'll see in the next video, because it's a 75 hard update video, the next one that's coming out after this. It's been a bit of a difficult couple of weeks. Speaking of trenches, I've just been going through the trenches the last few weeks, but I'm so grateful for the people in my life, like my friends, my community that I work with, like the support network around me, because I can't tell you how amazing people have been for me to talk to lean on, who want to offer their help out to me in like difficult times. So grateful for the people I have in my life, and it just pushes me and inspires me to do more, build bigger, dream bigger. And as well, I have been reading the book, the 10X Rule book. I think the tone of the book is very sharp. It feels kind of stern when you're reading it. It's not gonna be everyone's cup of tea, but there's a lot of lessons that are actually really inspiring and have made me think about a few things in my life. One of the things in the 10X Rule book speaks about our goals and ambitions and actually, are they big enough? It got me thinking about, the goals that I set at the start of the year. I guess when we set goals, a lot of people tell us to set SMART goals, like realistic goals that we can go ahead and achieve. But actually, it got me reflecting that the goals that I'd set are achievable. Yes, they're big goals, but they are achievable. But are they big enough? Am I capping my potential by setting these goals? Can I be actually dreaming a bit bigger? And heck, even if I put the biggest goals down on paper that absolutely petrify me, pushing myself to achieve those goals is going to result in so much more growth and so much more possibility. And you know what? I might even achieve those goals. The fact that I'm capping myself, writing down goals that are more achievable, yeah, that's just one of the things I got from the book. It made me think about my own goals and am I capping my potential by setting goals that are a bit more realistic? I need to shoot for the moon more. I hope that makes sense if you're watching this video. I hope that you can think about that as well. The goals that you set at the start of the new year, now we're into spring. How is all of that going? And what progress are you making? And actually, can you level up those goals even more and make those goals, those aspirations a little bit bigger for yourself and see how you can push yourself? I guess it's that good old phrase, nothing good comes out of your comfort zone. I mean, look at me last year. When I set the goal of running a marathon, genuinely, I had no idea if I could actually achieve that. That was something completely out of my comfort zone, what I thought was out of my realm. But I grew from the whole experience and I went ahead and did that. I achieved that goal, something that I never thought I'd be able to do. So going in today, I'm going to sit down and actually redo my vision board. The vision board that I did for this year, level it up and make it a little bit more Delulu. I love that phrase. I am going to make it a little bit more Delulu. We're going to get a little bit more ambitious with my goals, set the bar a little bit higher, because you know what? We're here for a good time, but we're not here for a long time, are we? So now is a great time to do that for March, for spring, that new season energy. I've got my coffee, I've got my laptop. I'm going to sit here and write out my goals for the month. I have done a lot of these reset videos and plan with me for the month ahead style videos, so you kind of know how I do this. Literally at the start of every new month, I make goals for the month ahead based on my overall goals for the year, and this just keeps me in check. But as I've said in this vlog already, I'm gonna switch this up this month. The first thing I'm gonna do is look back at my yearly goals. The second thing that I'm gonna do is there any way for me to level up these goals, make them bigger, get a little bit more Delulu? And the third thing I'm gonna do is redesign my vision board. I basically have a vision board which has got images of all the things that I'm working on or goals that I aspire to achieve, and I have that vision board as the screensaver on my phone. And I know to some people that might seem silly, but having that vision board there on my phone, every day I look at my phone and every day I'm reminded of the goals that I'm working towards, and it's just motivating. I find it motivating anyway for me, just to remember what I'm working hard for and what I want to achieve. So I'm actually going to redesign that whole vision board and look at the images that are already on there, but just upgrading those images. It might just be the slightest shift, but I really want to upgrade each of those images just to represent a level up. Just in case anyone's interested, I make my vision board on Pinterest, but this just used to be called the 2025 vision board. I've now renamed this My Biggest Dreams Are Coming True 2025 vision board, because every image on this vision board are representative of my biggest dreams, because we are not capping our potential. If we've learned anything from this vlog, we are not capping our potential. Say it with me now. I really hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for coming along with me for this morning of resetting for spring. If you've enjoyed watching this video, you want to stay around to watch more content just like this, you know what to do. Go ahead, press that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.